everyone and welcome back. Today we're talking about how to describe how you feel in English, whether you're excited, frustrated, or just tired. Expressing emotions is essential in everyday conversation. So let's dive into 3 steps: meaning, examples, and practice. So let's go. First, let's talk about what feelings mean. Emotions help us share what's happening inside. Here are 3 common categories of feeling. Positive feeling. This includes emotions like happiness, excitement, or pride. Negative feeling, such as anger, frustration, or sadness. Neutral feeling, like being calm, tired, or confused. Understanding the meaning behind these words will help you choose the right emotion to express. Now let's see how these feelings are used in real sentences. For positive feelings, I'm so excited about the weekend. For negative feelings, I feel frustrated when I can't solve a problem. For neutral feeling, I'm tired after a long day. Notice adding I feel or I am helps frame your emotions. Here's a fun one. I'm over the moon. It's a more creative way to say I'm happy. Now it's your turn. I'll say a situation and you tell me how you feel. Ready? You got an A+ on a test. How do you feel? Right, you might say, I feel proud. You lost your favorite book. How do you feel? Yes, you could say, I feel sad. You have a big presentation tomorrow. How do you feel? That's right, I feel nervous. Great job practicing. The more you use these expressions, the easier it will be to talk about your emotions. What's one feeling you'd like to describe better? Share it in the comments and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English tips. See you next time.